Welcome back to TechRams. Today we're going to show you how to take a picture with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So there's multiple ways to open the camera app. And we're only going to use the default camera app. You can download different camera apps, but we're going to go with the default. So in this case, if the phone is locked like this, we can actually press here and it opens the camera. Now we are in camera mode and we could take a picture of this camera or this light meter or anything like that. Or let's say we are, with an unlocked phone, we can press the icon, so the app, and we are now once again on the camera. So here we are, and here we are. And taking pictures, just pressing this button, or the volume down or the volume up, and not the lock screen because that would lock the screen. Or we can also activate the camera by swiping down, and if you have the little shortcut here, you can press it there. And once again, we are in camera, and that's how we do it. So there's 3 different ways to open the camera app on the iPhone 12 Pro. I hope that was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.